Introducing the Next Generation SuperOffice Service, a new way of working with requests. The new version integrates service features directly into SuperOffice CRM, providing a seamless experience. Let's show you some highlights. In SuperOffice CRM, you access the new service solution via the main menu. Clicking on Requests opens the main screen where you see the shared inboxes of incoming requests organized into queues. Now, for those of you who already work with SuperOffice Service, you will find that the features you're used to are still there, but they may present itself differently, because in this version, we have taken a good look at how we can improve the most common workflows, so that you can work more effectively and faster when handling requests. For example, the way each request opens in a tab, so you can navigate between these easily, as you typically work on more than one request at a time. Or the way you can organize the view the way you prefer it to be, and search and find relevant information on the company or person you're interacting with, or search for past similar requests to help you respond in the best possible way. And that's not all. Since our initial launch, we've introduced even more functionality to elevate your experience. You can take ownership quickly by right-clicking on a request and hit accept. You will automatically become the owner and the request will be added to your list. You can preview with quick edit, so you can tweak details like status, owner, and category directly from the preview panel. You can add multiple tags at once, so you can group and organize your requests effortlessly. You get tailored request types, where you can customize attributes, actions, and screen layouts to match different request types, making your workflow much smoother. We also have new and updated dashboard tiles, so you can explore new dashboard tiles for insights like average response times and open requests, helping you stay on top of your tasks. Get ready to upgrade your workflow and delight your customers with faster response times, improved service, and the seamless integration between service and CRM.